video for you guys. I'm actually recreating one of my old looks. I used to wear bold, bright ass makeup like this all the time, to the beach, to college, to school, to work. So if you guys want to see how I recreated this look, please keep watching. Okay guys, so I already have on my foundation, my eyebrows, highlight and contour, and I have a separate video all about how I achieve this kind of flawless finish on my channel. So make sure you go subscribe and check that out. Okay guys, keep the views coming. So you guys showed me so much love in my Manny MUA Life's Drag video, and while I was filming that video, it made me reminisce on all the old looks I used to do, and I used to do so much colour. And I was on my Facebook page and I done this look, which was in 2015, the 10th of July, and look, it's my old nose and my old lips, oh bitch. I'm going to be recreating this look here because when I was scrolling through, I was like, oh, this look is so pretty, and I haven't done really anything like this on my channel. So it's like green with like a pop of yellow. So I'm actually going out today as well, so it'd be really, really nice. Put my phone on silent. So it'd be really, really nice to kind of do a little throwback here now. So on my eyes, I just literally have concealer and it's all powdered and everything. You can, of course, use the eyeshadow base if you want to. My eyes just personally don't crease that much because my eyelids are so flat because of my Asian genetics, you know. But if you do have more of like a prominent, defined crease, you might need to use the eyeshadow base. I did want to really feature these new eyeshadows from Makeup Geek. They launched some new freaking pigmented ass shades here, guys. When I got this in the mail, I was like, oh, Makeup Geek, you haven't kind of came out with anything in a while. So these kind of shades were calling out my name. These bottom shades are actually from Inglot, and I just depotted them and put them inside this little eyeshadow palette. But we're going to be kind of working with like these tones here, mainly like the yellow, the green, and I'm also going to find like a darker green from another palette because there's only like these shades here. Okay, so I'm going to start off the Morphe M576 brush. This is a really nice big fluffy dome brush, really nice for inside the crease, and I'm actually going to start by going in with this shade here. Let me see what it's called. It is called Transformation. Ooh. So I'm going to use a new mirror that I just got in the mail, and this is from Glamcore, and it's the Ricky mirror, but it's in the skinny version. You guys know I always travel around with this size mirror. This is the Ricky original, but now it's come out in a little mini form. It also has a light. Look at this. Bitch, yes! Oh, it's really bright as well. So it also has this little bit that pops out, so you can kind of hold it with your little fingers like this, like a little knuckle duster. It's so cute, and I love the fact it kind of lights up as well. Gonna go in with that transform shade, and this is gonna go right inside the crease. And I'm just kind of like working this all over, and it's just mainly gonna be like my transition colour, I guess. We're going to do it really, really nice and dark right on the eyelid. Okay, so I'm literally just working this eyeshadow all over my eyelid, and you guys see it's so freaking bright. It is a bright one, definitely, and it's really nice actually because when you blend it out, it goes into like a really light green. So it's really, really workable depending on how much you kind of build it up. So I always make sure whenever I pick up new eyeshadow, I put it directly inside the crease, and then when I have less on my brush, that's when I slightly work upwards and start to blend it out, because you have less on your brush there, so it creates like a soft gradient naturally. I haven't done bright ass eyeshadow in a long time. I used to wear these shades all the time, and I remember like thinking, oh my god, brown eyeshadow is so boring. And now whenever I wear these bright colours, I'm like, oh god damn. I still do like it though. I love the way that it looks, especially for photos. Tropical vibes, you know? Okay guys, so now that we have the green all over, literally just that one green blended out, I know I look crazy right now. But we're gonna tie this all back in, make it look more Instagrammable. So I reached out for my Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. I haven't used it in a while, but it has a really, really cool colour. I think it's called Enchanted in here. This shade looks like a really, really dark greeny kind of shade. It almost looks black, but it's definitely like a dark green. So I'm just going to put a bit of this along my lash line and make it really, really nice and smoky. So when I put on that green shade, it kind of like blends into a really, really dark emerald green. So I'm going to go in with my Bdellium Tools 776 brush. Okay, now this is just going to go all over the eyelid now. It's almost like recreating a black smoked out eyeshadow, but it's just with greens instead. Literally buffing this all over onto my eyelid, so you guys see it's kind of getting a lot darker. And then I'm also picking up a bit of that transform shade as well with the same brush, and then going right on top of that to make sure it's all blends in really, really nicely. Okay guys, so the green eyeshadow is on and I'm looking very crazy. It's a lot darker than I thought I wanted it to be, but it's okay. Just keep going with the flow, you know. So I'm going to start to blend this out underneath, and then I'm going to start to put the yellow in. Hopefully it'll brighten everything up. And then I'm pretty sure once I put on my eyeliner and stuff, it's going to look nice and snatched, I hope. It still surprises me that I used to go out and make up this all the freaking time, hey? Okay, so we're going to go in with a flat shader brush. This is a 234 from Zoeva, along with the Enchanted shade again. And now I'm just going to run this underneath my bottom lash line. I think it looks a bit crazy right now because it's so smoky at the top and nothing at the bottom. So hopefully by blending this out at the bottom when I put my lashes on, it's going to look a bit more sane. Okay, so I'm literally just using the tip of the brush and I'm just going back and forth along my lash line. Just get really nice and smoky underneath. And then I'm going to pick up a blank canvas E21 brush, go in with this transform shade, and then just lightly blend at the bottom so it matches the top. Okay guys, so the smoke is on my eyes and looks so smoky. Goddamn, I'm gonna have to get a freaking fire hose in a second, girl. So I'm using a little cotton tip, and in that photo I showed you guys, I had like yellow on the inner corners here. So it's gone really smoky on inner corners with green, which I want the yellow to stand out. So I'm just using my cotton bud and I'm just kind of like taking away that green so that in here when I pop it on the yellow it's gonna be super bright. And then I'm also gonna go on my waterline and take off any excess powder that's kind of been on there, just so that it kind of pops out a bit brighter. If I done yellow on top of the green, it will just look like a really like lime green, and I want it to look yellow. So I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer just in the inner corners here to give it a better pop. And of course you guys don't have to use yellow, you can also use like a silver or gold, will look amazing. Love it when you get like a really bright pop of colour, and even like if you put like glitter or anything, especially when you do like a really dark base like this, it's going to stand out so nicely. This brush, by the way, is a blank canvas F19. It reminds me of Sigma brushes. I used to use Sigma brushes all the time, but they kind of got really expensive, I thought. They used to be like dupes of MAC, and I remember when I used to work at MAC, when I first tried out for my job, I had to bring my own brushes, and I remember bringing a whole set of Sigma brushes. Back then it used to be called the same name as MAC brushes as well, and obviously like, I could not afford MAC brushes at the time, so Sigma was like the best bet. Okay, so on my eyes, the only yellow eyeliner I could find is one from MAC, and it's called Primary Yellow, and this I think is only available in a pro store. There's loads of brands that do eyeliners. There's one I think from Marc Jacobs as well. I think Dior also has a liquid yellow liner. That's quite cool. I might use that in a bit. And then I'm just going to line on my waterline. Just working on this eyeliner as much as I can. It's not as bright as I want it to be like in the photo. I have no idea what product I used. But I'm going to go in with this Dior Matte Yellow waterproof liquid liner. Okay, so do this with caution, guys. I don't know if you're even meant to do this, but I'm literally going to slowly dot this along my lash line to make it really bright. Oh my god, that works so much better. So I'm kind of working this along my bottom lash, and I'm even going a bit lower than just my waterline as well, so it makes my eyes look a bit bigger. These come in loads of different shades as well. I think there's like a blue, a pink. You see the difference? I'm just blending out that bottom lash line as well to make sure the green is still blended. So there's this yellow shade right here, but I don't know if I want it a bit yellow. This is more like a light lemon shade. I want it to be like bright yellow. So in the Mani Lighter Drag palette, there is a really bright yellow right here called Campy. So just to show you the difference between the two yellows, this one is the Makeup Geek one, and then this one is the Mani MUA one. This one seems to be a bit bolder, a bit more electric, which is what I'm after. I'm going in and out of like every single eyeshadow palette right now. And now this is going to go on the inner corners here. I'm using a little pointy brush. This is a MAC 219 brush. So funny, I worked at MAC for so long, so all the numbers of the brushes are still embedded in me, guys. I know all of them off by heart. Okay, so I'm kind of blending this out, kind of like along my nose as well, just so it's faded out, so there's a really nice pop of colour there. Okay guys, so on my top lash line now, I'm going to go in and kind of fill this in, and I want to make it really nice and smoky here. I think inside the photo, I really didn't do like a eyeliner or anything like that, I just made like a smoky lash line. So I'm going to go with my Marc Jacobs Blacquer eyeliner, as always, my favourite eyeliner of all time. I'm going to line my top lash line to make it really dark by the root. So I'm kind of lining my top lash line as well, making this really nice and dark and black. Hello, Bruiser! We're kind of a little dark here. This is my brother's dog, Bruiser. You guys don't follow me on Snapchat. You guys know I don't have no dog anymore. My sister moved out and she took Coco. So now I only get dogs sometimes. This is Bruiser. He's so old. He's like 10 years old. Look how bad his eye bags are. Oh, bitch, your breasties. Okay guys, time to put some mascara and lashes. The lashes I'm going to use today is from Lilly Lashes and it's in a style called Carmel. And I really like these ones because they wing out on the outer corners really nicely. And they're super feathery as well. Look how pretty these are. And these last up to 20 times. You can use them so much. They are definitely more dramatic, but if you want to look like this, come on, you can't be wearing no freaking Ardell Wispies, you know what I'm saying? Okay guys, so this is the lashes on. And I'm just going to line my lips next. I'm going to use Spice Lip Liner. This is an oldie but a goodie. I'm just lining my outer corners just to define them a little bit because we're going to go really nude. My lips are so dry today. I haven't been drinking any water. Is it just me who forgets to drink water? Like, how do people stay on top of it? Like, you're meant to drink 2 litres of water a day. Like, who the hell can remember that? Okay, and then on my lips, I'm going to go with a really light nude. This is Honeylove by Mac. This is a major throwback, guys. I used to love this lipstick. Look how short it is now. I used to love this lipstick so much. Back in the days, you know, when Kylie Jenner was ruling the world. And then on my lips, I'm going to go with Marc Jacobs Sugar. Okay, I'm going to quickly get changed and then I'll be back. Okay, guys, so that's it for this finished look. What do you guys think? I think it's very similar. This is like the upgraded version with the new nose, the bigger lips, you know. I used to overline my lips like a crazy mad woman. Okay guys, so I hope you guys liked this video and how it turned out. If you guys want me to do more colourful fun looks, please comment down below. Or do you guys prefer the more bronzy, natural kind of looks? Let me know. I've got these earrings from Primark. Do you guys like them? Yeah, it's vibing with the whole look. I love it when it's all like matching, monochromatic, you know. So if you guys haven't yet, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, every Wednesdays and Sundays. And I have so many videos on my YouTube page with tons of tutorials, get to know me, fun tags, my boyfriend tags, how to grow your social media, all that good stuff, how I film, how I edit my photos, all of that I already filmed on my channel, so make sure you subscribe. Also, if you guys haven't yet, please make sure to follow me on all my other social media platforms. It's just xTweely on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, enjoy the bloopers. I'm going to be using, oh crap, I'm going to be using my mirror. So this is so dirty. And then look, guys, look. Oh, come on. Pop out. Come on, girl, come on. Guys, I've got my fan on. Does it sound really noisy? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let me turn it off just in case. So hot in here, guys. God, my bum crack's itchy. Scratch.